Can you find the monkeys? There'll be 5 different monkeys ranging from easy, medium, hard, super hard, and impossible. Now let's get to it. Okay, can you find me? Can you find me? This is level easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You found me. Okay, this is level medium. Can you find me? Can you find me? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm right here in Treehouse. Okay, this is hard mode. Can you find? Can you? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm right here. Okay, this is level super hard. Can you find me? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm right here. This is level impossible. Can you find me? If you found me, comment down below.